Hello guys, it is Lobber the Pro here, back with another video, and today we are doing a 2K opening. Team USA Pantheon Deluxe 10 packs box. 135,000 VC, so let's see how it goes. Just have a look at the available limited time cards. Patrick Ewing, Darren Williams, James Harden, CP3, Karl Malone, KD, Magic Johnson, Michael Jordan. That's the one that I personally want the most. Also this Kobe. Those two are the ones that I want the most. LeBron, also a massive one. Larry Bird, that's a pretty good card. Scottie Pippen, David Robertson, Carmelo Anthony, Anthony Davis, Chris Mullin, Clyde Drexler, Kevin Love, and Andre Iguodala, John Stockton, Russell Westbrook, Tyson Chandler, Christian Laettner, and that's it. I already have this Kevin Love card from the free packs, so hopefully we can get something different. Here we go. It's time to open up the box. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. This is massive. The box is opening. Oh, let's go. It's good. So we'll flip this one. We'll flip every one except for that one there. You got contracts and some shoes. And here we go. See what we got. Hopefully it's something good. Our first pack, the Team USA box. It's a 98. It's number 9. It's a shooting guard. It's Andre Iguodala. Let's go. That is a nice card. We still got 9 packs to go. That is beautiful. Second pack. Oh, another big one. So we're going to get some massive pulls in this box. I know that. So we got just a couple other things. And here we go. Here we go again. Let's see what we got. Hopefully we can maybe get a 99. 98 again. Number 10. It's a shooting guard. This time we have Clyde Drexler. Wow. 2 great packs to start. New dynamic goal for him. Here we go, third pack. Another one in the exact same spot. Here we go. Flipping it. I reckon it'll be another 98. Because it's not pink, but yeah, 98. Number 14. It's a center. AD. Let's go. It's a good pull. Anthony Davis. Oh, let's go. That'll be a 99 and a blue card. Let's flip all the other ones first. Oh, this is going to go nuts. Here we go. We got Christian Wood. And here we go. This will be a 99. Please be Michael Jordan or Kobe Bryant. Please. 99. Number 6. Center. We've got Patrick Ewing. Let's go. That is a good card. Here we go. Another 98 seems. Flip the card again. 98, so maybe. What can we get out of this? Number 4 is center. Got a lot of centers in the team now. It is Christian, let's say, I don't know how to say his name. Christian Laettner. Wow. Whew. We're getting some good pulls. So we can get another 99. Yes, we got another 99. Here we go, and a green card. So let's flip them all. Oh, Anthony Edwards. Here we go. This is it. Another 99. Please be Michael Jordan. Number 9. It's going to be... Michael Jordan! We got him! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's freaking go! Michael Jordan, get in! Oh my gosh. We got him. We did it. Michael Jordan. No way. He's straight into my side. Oh my goodness. These packs are insane. I think that's a 98. Yeah. So we're going to flip all. Flip this one. See what we get. If we get the Kobe as well as the Michael Jordan, I swear to God. Center again. Why have we got so many centers? Who's this? Haven't we already got him? I think it's Leitner. It is. That's a bit of a bummer. There's a duplicate right there. Let's flip them all. And we got another 98. If we could get one more 99, I'd be very satisfied. Shooting guard. Oh, it's CP3. Oh no, it's Clyde Drexler. You've already got him. Damn it. 2 packs. Oh, let's go. Another 99. Jeez, let's go. It's about to go crazy. Another massive card. Please be Kobe. 13. Point guard. I think that's CP3. Let's go. CP3 99. Last pack of the box. We got a 98. Wow, how did we do that? Tight handles badge in there as well. Here we go, last pack. Hopefully it's not a centre because we've got a lot of centres. 9, shooting guard. Andre Iguodala. Pretty decent end. And that is going to cap off our pack opening. Wow. So, send him to the auctions. Send them to the auctions and send him to the auction. Just sell the coach. I'll sell all of these for a bit of cash. Wowee. So guys, if you did like that video, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.